Hello, beautiful people. Thank God it's Friday. Another week is over at ang dami nating mga simple victories this week. I would like to highlight this week's Thanksgiving. First, congratulations sa ating team for the global business expansion. Of course, sa iba't ibang countries. And we have learned that from our Zoom meeting 2 nights ago. Yay! Another thing is, thank God sa confirmation ng ating payment ng tax refund dahil sa pagbabayad natin ng ating digital business tax dito sa Sweden. Legit ang ating business. And finally, thank you Lord then at natapos ko today ang pag-organize ng aking schedule. Very complicated dahil marami tayong binibisitang paaralan dito sa Sweden sa ating work. So thank God at natapos ko din today ang aking schedule for the whole school year. I love celebrating even simple milestones at isa sa mga ways to celebrate is by baking and also sharing. I baked ensaymada, Spanish bread, and ube pandesal because I will be having a lunch date with my two Ate Pinays here in Sweden. Kaya ito ang ating simple token sa kanila. Simple lang pero punong-puno naman ng love, love, love. So I hope you also had a fruitful week, lovely people. So see you next time. Thank you for watching today. Ingat lagi and God bless us all.